So now we are proceeding with our felicitation ceremony. So that is to highlight the motivating role of all the people who have contributed towards success of MAPICON. So I am very fortunate to have, in fact, Dr. D.K. Singh was to come here. He is Director AIIMS. He is stuck up with some work. So we got a message that he will not be able to come. And Dr. Ravikant Sharma is here. He is the senior most person and is principal MMU and hospital at Solan. So we are fortunate to have amongst us him to preside over this function. So I'll call him on stage. So most important person of this conference, with whose presence this conference is legitimized and 16 credit hours are awarded. He represents President of Punjab Medical Council. He is my senior and he is, is instrumental to groom us. I did my house job under him as PG. Dr. Karamveer Goyal, I invite him on stage, please. Next, again, I am very fortunate to have a few of my seniors who determined our destiny, in fact. Dr. Sanjeev Uppal, the organizing capabilities which you all appreciate, 90% of that is his giving. So he groomed us from the very beginning. He is 1 year senior in physical lectures. Thank you, speakers, for making this MAPICON a great success over the years, and the delegates who have shown interest, and we have increased from 150 delegates to more than 700 delegates in this MAPICON. So it is regularly being held, and now it is being considered as a national conference, since we are having 70 papers from all over Punjab, Haryana, UP medical colleges being represented here. So for that, I am thankful to my organizing committee. So I'll invite my organizing committee to please come on stage and collect the certificates of appreciation. The senior most physician of the region, Dr. K.K. Nauria, please. Dr. Keval Krishan. Dr. M.R. Gupta. Dr. Ashok Goyal. Dr. Ravinder Maheshwari, if he is here. Dr. Meghna Gupta, she is Executive Organizing Secretary and most important part of MAPICON. Dr. Sonia Arora, she is Executive Office Secretary and Treasurer. Again, every money has to go through her scrutiny. So I request the organizing committee to please have a group photo with all the dignitaries. Thank you very much. And next in line are the promoters. So basically we work, we do each and everything, but without promotion, that is money part, as well as the psychological strength is given by the motivators. So we appreciate their contribution to success of MAPICON. Dr. Naresh Goyal of Delhi Heart Center, Dr. G.S. Gill, Pragma Hospital, Dr. B.B. Jindal, Care Hospital, Mrs. Vinita Malhotra, she is, आओ जी मैडम, उत्थे बैठे स्माइल कर रहे हैं मैडम, ऊपर आना पैना है. So all the catering and tasty foods which you have is made under her supervision. Dr. Gill, please. Dr. G.S. Gill. He is always there to help Mapicon. Thank you very much, Dr. Gill. And you are always on the forefront of all the social as well as cultural activities. नहीं नहीं सर थोड़े आन तो बिना काम के मैं चलूँगा. And I must appreciate the contribution of Baba Farid Group of Institutions, Mr. Gurmeet Singh Taliwal. I invite he is stuck up with some work, so he has sent his representative. So I call him to take our appreciation certificate for the institution. Because when the local private medical colleges did not allow their volunteers to work in Mapicon, I approached Mr. Gurmeet Singh Taliwal for volunteers, student volunteers. So he was more than helpful to send 25 students in 2018, and every delegate appreciated their work more than the medical students. So since then, they are part and parcel of Mapicon. The institution is, all the volunteers which you have seen manning the registration counters and all the things, they are sitting here also. And pronunciation, you won't believe, you won't make a distinction whether they are medical students pronouncing pancreatitis or they are non-medical student. I really appreciate their students as well as the institution for contributing towards success of Mapicon to great deal, because if volunteers are not good, ਅਸੀਂ ਜਿੰਨਾ ਮਰਜੀ ਜ਼ੋਰ ਲਾ ਲਈਏ, ਇੱਕ ਬੰਦਾ ਪੁੱਠਾ ਬੋਲ ਜੇ ਸਾਰੀ ਕਾਨਫਰੰਸ ਦਾ ਮਜ਼ਾ ਖਰਾਬ ਹੋ ਜਾਂਦਾ. ਬੰਦਾ ਕਹਿੰਦਾ ਜੀ ਗਏ ਸੀ ਉੱਥੇ ਤਾਂ ਬੇਇੱਜ਼ਤੀ ਹੋ ਗਈ. So that is why I feel the work of volunteers is most important. So thank you Baba Farid Institution for helping us. Next in line is Mr. Ashwini Malhotra, the real organizing committee. He is here from 7:30 to 6:30. And arranges each and everything, whatever is needed from the market. Otherwise, everything is being done under his supervision. Next important part of organizing committee is Mr. Kunal Sharma. So he is again, so he is the man behind the scene, behind the screen. So all the work, innovative work, because last year we had to hire a private company, that is Omnicurus, but this time he has been able to do each and everything, that is online recording, online presentation, and what you see is his innovation and his subordinate Mr. Gary. Tu bhi aage shakal ta dikha de yaar. So this forms a great team. And I must appreciate the services of Mr. Ajay Gupta of JC Press. If he is here, he can. So he is not here. वो भी शर्मा जाता बहुत, कहता जी मैं डॉक्टरां जाके की करूँगा. But I must mention his name. Every time he is very accommodating. रात ਨੂੰ 12 ਵਜੇ ਕੋਈ printing करानी होवे, press खोल के printing करके दिंदा सानू वो. So I really appreciate his work. And without pharma also, the organizing is a little bit deficient. So I invite representative from INTAS, Mr. Rajinder. So we have been associated for last about 25 years and company is always there to help us. From Torrent, Mr. Sunil. And two companies are not represented, that is USV and IPCA. So thank you very much, Rajinder and Sunil, for contributing towards success of Mapicon. And the star delegate. Delegates come here and go. You have seen ਡਾਕਟਰ ਰਵੀ ਮਸਟ ਹੈਵ ਸੀਨ ਕਿ ਸਵੇਰੇ ਕਿੰਨੇ ਸੀਗੇ ਬ੍ਰੈਕਫਾਸਟ ਤੇ ਹੁਣ ਕਿੰਨੇ ਰਹਿ ਗਏ, ਲੰਚ ਵੇਲੇ ਕਿੰਨੇ ਆ ਜਾਣਗੇ. ਬਟ ਆਈ ਮਸਟ ਐਪਰੀਸ਼ੀਏਟ the attendance of Dr. Lakhjit Singh from Kurukshetra. So I must invite him on stage for a handshake with dignitaries, or rather you can say namaste in COVID era. So he is our star and model delegate, which is inspiration, should be inspiration to all the delegates. Aao sir, please. So we will write him a certificate of most efficient and attentive delegate of this conference. Thank you, sir, for being motivating force to all the delegates. He's come all the way from Kurukshetra. That is why I call that Mapicon is growing and we are gaining a status of national conference. So with this, the felicitation, what we wanted to appreciate the contribution of our fellow colleagues. I request Dr. Ravichand Sharma to please say a few words or advice or whatever changes he wants us to do in Mapicon so that Mapicon grows up. And rest of the dignitaries can take their seats and I will call them one by one to express their views. Dr. Ravichand Sharma, please.
It's my privilege to be the guest, rather the chief guest of this welcome ceremony, and of a personality of Professor Vitul K. Gupta, which at the very first instance had, I don't know whether literally mesmerized me or compelled me to be a part of this. So the moment I got that message, I didn't know that he is the proud father of Dr. Meghna, who happens to be my student. So I said, who is Dr. Vitul K. Gupta? He is a very, strong kind of a person. Somebody like from ex-army cadre. Somebody said that, no, you don't know, he is father of Dr. Meghna. I said, no, I didn't know. I thought Meghna must have asked him that, okay, call my HOD also to deliver a talk here. But I think it was the other way around. He has been calling people from all corners of the country to deliver their talks and of course to enrich the academic knowledge of the people who attend this prestigious conference. Due to the ongoing pandemic, COVID pandemic, as we were also thinking initially that though I had said in the very initial few interactions or talk to Dr. Vitul that I'll be physically visiting there, but they had done a recording of my lecture also and of many other people also, because of thinking that probably tomorrow you don't know what is going to be the case with the third wave and all that. So it's a very enriching experience for me also, and to be a part of this conference, and I congratulate all the cast and crew of Dr. Vitul, and of course he himself, who has got a exceptionally good and a very great managerial and those skills of event management, which he has been doing for the last many years. This is, I think, the ninth conference of Association of Physicians of India, and I am quite sure that this academic activity will keep on going in future also. The only thing is that the active participation of all youngsters and with the latest know-how, and as we have already said, already we have been told that the luminaries have been coming from all over India to deliver their talks. So all people who are participating in this conference must benefit from the experience of all those people. Now I have a 33 years of experience in psychiatry. So anybody who has got a lot of experience, you can learn so many things. It has been otherwise also said, we all know, that you sit with the elderly person, but we don't have time to sit with them. You learn so many things which he has acquired over a period of so many years. So he want to deliver it to you, but we don't have time, we don't want to sit with him or her. So this is a great opportunity which must be capitalized by all. Dr. Guleria is just a batch senior to me in IGMC when we were in MBBS and then in PGI also. So he was in medicine, I was in psychiatry. So it could have been a pleasure to be with him here again. But I think that opportunity has been given to me in his place. Though I was not prepared, I was thinking that I'll rush to Chandigarh thereafter. But again, it's a great honor extended on to me. I thank Dr. Vitul once again and all people who have been associated with him in organizing this wonderful conference. For rest of the speakers who are going to continue thereafter, I give my blessings to them also and my all the best for future forthcoming conferences of this kind. If time will permit, health will permit, we'll be again together sometimes again. Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir, for your kind words. If Dr. Guleria or Dr. D.K. Singh would have been there, still you would have been on the stage. That is why I kept your lecture with the felicitation ceremony. That was a surprise for you, sir. Assi sanu chhadna nahi si, sir. So next, as I have told, most important person representing Punjab Medical Council, representing President of Punjab Medical Council and future President of Punjab Medical Council. I present Dr. Karamveer Goyal, my senior, for a words of advice, modification and support for next conference also. I have requested him to be the observer for our next conference in 2022 also.
Thank you, Dr. Vitul. Esteemed speakers from all over the country, my seniors like Dr. Noria, my close friends, my classmates sitting in the audience, coming from Ambala, Dr. Monga, Dr. S.K. Rajkumar, Dr. Tarsem, Dr. Bakshi, and my friend Dr. Kulwant Singh, Dr. Sanjeev Uppal, esteemed delegates, senior faculty members, and my dear friends. A very good afternoon to all of you. I bring greetings from the Punjab Medical Council on behalf of the Council as well as the President of the Council. And for today's conference, as already announced, declare 16 credit hours for this very conference, very well organized by Dr. Vitul and his team. I have been associated with this conference since its inception. I think it's the 8th one. And this time my role has been different, that I am coming as an observer from the Punjab Medical Council, which gives me immense pleasure in telling you people that right from its inception, it has gone a long way, and Dr. Vitul and his team have turned into a mega event and brought it to the national map of the conferences. As Dr. Vitul said, Dr. Sharma was saying that he seems to be from army. He is not from army, he is himself an army, I'll say. His team, all the supporters, they follow him sincerely, and he is the man who has taken this conference to these heights as we are there today. And it has made a mark in the national level, not only in the northern part of the country. When we were deciding about the credit hours in the Punjab Medical Council, there was a question mark whether this conference whether it's going to be there or not, whether it's going to be virtual or actual physical conference because of the pandemic, COVID pandemic, we all know. But again, you can well see the level of hard work and the level of confidence and the level of commitment. Dr. Vitul and his team is there, has there been, and they have been able to make it a great success. So we can, the presence of all of you is a very much testimony to the fact that he has made it a success and is a physical conference. Somebody asked, when I entered Punjab Medical Council, I was always in my doubt in my mind, why these credit hours are being given when we have all our doctors passing their graduation, post-graduation and fellowships and super specialties, and they're all doing good work. So why trouble them of these credit hours? I think now I realize such conferences, they add to your knowledge, they add to the, your experience, they polish you, they further enrich you with knowledge, and credit hours have to be there for our ongoing continuous medical education. Then the then registrar told me why they were started. He said, once a session judge rang up the Punjab Medical Council and said that we have a doctor of your, I will say profession or fraternity for a code evidence, and ever since he passed out his MBBS, he has been posted in a remote village dispensary for last 13, 14 years and has never attended any upgradation program or a education program or this thing because of his duties. And today, he is fumbling in finding out the difference between the abrasion, contusion and laceration. And ours is a court matter which amounts to very serious consequences, and his expert evidence is of high value, and he is not coming up to the marks. So why don't you start something which can ensure that our doctors, once they pass out of the medical colleges, they keep themselves abreast with the basic knowledge and they add to their ongoing advancements in their subjects. So on that account, I think it's very pertinent and it's very, I think, a practical thing that credit hours are a must for the doctors, not only for their own benefit, for their better delivering of their whatever specialty they are working in to the society. So I think it is a matter of great honor and prestige and hard work which people like Dr. Vitul do to maintain this type of things by organizing such conferences. As we all know, medical profession is passing through a very difficult phase. I think my seniors, they know, they have seen that golden era when doctors were demigods and their word was taken to be the ultimate thing. Whatever once they have told to the patient or the people, there was no questioning or argument. But now we know a lot of water has flown under the bridges, and today our profession is being looked upon with many doubts, many question marks, and we as people in this profession, we really feel at times very much, you can say, bad about it. Like Dr. Vitul was saying, कि एक बंदे ने भी कुछ क्या दिता था मजा खराब हो जाता है. I think I know many of my colleagues and doctors who have sincerely served this society for years and years together, and now once people have doubts about their integrity, their credibility is being questioned, their competency is being questioned, they feel very, very bad that they are in this profession for so many years, and they don't want their children to carry on with this profession. For that, I think we have to do some soul searching, some introspection, where we are also lacking. If society is demanding so much from us, and we are unable to come up to the expectations of the society, where we are lacking. I always say, communication, documentation and transparency. These are the three things I think which have to be brought into our day-to-day practice wherever we are working, whether in medical colleges, nursing homes, clinics or wherever you are working, we have to bring in transparency and documentation and communication. The other day I was in CMC regarding the FAMER program, and there is going to be a paradigm shift in the curriculum of the medical graduate education, and because our fresh graduates and postgraduates, they don't have communication skills. In coming to the people's expectation, they don't know. They might be expert in our medical aspect of the, and knowledge of the subject. But what are the expectations? What are the pros and cons of any procedure or surgery they are doing? They are not able to communicate with the people. And every day we have seen not only violence or other things being at the nursing homes or the hospitals. So we have to bring a change in our curriculum of the education, then in our attitude. We should be knowing what are the patient's rights also, what are their expectations also, and at the same time bringing it to documentation and ultimately doing everything in transparency. I think days will not be far off when, with all the support and the help of such type of conferences, our new generation people, graduates, postgraduates, they will again bring that golden era when society really stands up and salutes the profession and the professionals because of the new changes which we bring and deliver according to the needs of the time and the society. So once again, I am very happy to say that in future also, Dr. Vitul, we will be happy to announce and declare more credit hours to our conference. Keep doing such good work. Thank you very much. Have a nice day.
Thank you, Dr. Karamveer, for reassuring us. And we are having confidence that you will do that. So I always say I was very lucky. You have touched upon the senior-junior relationship. And I think our class was very lucky to have your batch as our senior. So among us friends also, a few of friends, Dr. Shardendu Sharma, Dr. Barinder, Dr. Tejinder Singh Seji, Dr. Vineet Luna, we were a group and we were groomed by you, and I always say in wherever I interact that 2-3 people modified our destiny. Dr. Gurpreet Singh Wander academically, Dr. Sanjeev Uppal culturally as well as socially, giving us the organizing skills. So now invite Dr. Uppal to say a few words. Is it always to have Dr. Uppal and good advice from him?
Thank you, Dr. Vitul. At the outset, it's my privilege to be here attending the MAPICON 2021. So the dignitaries, including our principal, Dr. Sharma, other dignitaries, guests, my batchmate and Punjab Medical Council member and would be, we expect him to be heading the PMC sometime, Dr. Karamveer Goel, my own batchmates, my seniors, my juniors, and of course all the delegates, because without delegates, no conference can be a success. As told by Dr. Vitul, we usually call him by his nickname, Bittu. He has been instrumental in organizing so many things during studentship and afterwards, and you can see his capabilities year after year, 8th year now, organizing a big thing in Bathinda. Maybe the only conference which this city has been getting through Dr. Vitul. And he is instrumental in setting up the Malwa branch of Indian Association of Physicians, which is again an entity which has immense contribution from him. His family is always, wherever Vitul is, his family stands by him. And I give them 90% of the organization backup as such, and 10% role of Dr. Vitul, if I am not wrong at that. So as far as the attending a conference goes, the new curriculum of the Medical Council, now represented by National Medical Council, it also says that the doctors have to be learner throughout. It is not that I have been practicing some part of the specialty for 30 years, 40 years, that I feel that my opinion will be there. So it never is so in any of the Western countries where a protocol works and where learning always continues. Even a chief of any branch in any of the places would not say that because I have said so, so that is a rule. That is my diagnosis is this, my opinion is this. It is said that my opinion is this, but there are other opinions. There are variety of opinions. And to know about this thing, either you can stick to the internet, read all the journals, and probably the best thing would be to attend a conference. Because there are so many speakers who will give their own opinion. There are frank discussions, and you learn a lot. And maybe after doing so much, you still feel after 40 years, 30 years, that, oh, I never knew this point. So maybe this point will be beneficial for my patient. So that is how one of our bosses used to say in the lighter mood, कि तुसी conference ਜ਼ਰੂਰ attend ਕਰਨ ਜਾਇਆ ਕਰੋ, ਉਹ ਪਿਆਰ ਨਾਲ ਸਾਨੂੰ ਗਧਾ ਕਹਿ ਦਿੰਦੇ ਸੀ ਕਈ ਵਾਰੀ, ਜਿਵੇਂ ਪੁਰਾਣੇ ਟੀਚਰਸ ਦੀ ਆਦਤ ਹੁੰਦੀ ਹੈ, ਤੇ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਨੇ ਕਹਿਣਾ ਵੀ ਜੇ ਗਧੇ ਨੂੰ ਵੀ ਕਾਨਫਰੰਸ ਭੇਜ ਦਈਏ, ਜੇ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਘੋੜਾ ਨਹੀਂ ਬਣ ਕੇ ਆਓਗੇ ਤਾਂ ਐਟਲੀਸਟ ਖੱਚਰ ਜ਼ਰੂਰ ਬਣ ਕੇ ਆਓਗੇ, ਥੋੜੀ ਜਿਹੀ ਤੁਹਾਡੀ ਇੰਪਰੂਵਮੈਂਟ ਨੌਲੇਜ ਜ਼ਰੂਰ ਹੋਏਗੀ. That is true to, we still, any of the conferences I attend, I still remember his words, and everybody gets wiser after attending the conference. I must congratulate the whole organizing committee of MAPICON 2021, which has made it possible for so many people to attend this conference physically, as well as maybe 10 times or maybe 100 times. I'm not sure. They will be, I think IT people will be giving us the exact number of the delegates who have attended virtually. And this will be online also in future times to come, and one can watch it. Dr. Vitul has been posting every day's proceedings on YouTube, and it's very easy nowadays accessing YouTube anywhere. So this conference will leave its memories, leave its impression, and for me, coming to Vitul is always coming to my own home, my younger brother. Just to give you what we had in Medical College, Patiala, we had a kind of arts, culture and music club with the name of Aesthetes, so Aesthetes Gomko. So, ਪਹਿਲਾਂ ਤਾਂ ਬੜੇ ਸਾਰੇ ਸਾਡੇ ਬੰਦਿਆਂ ਨੂੰ ਨਹੀਂ ਸਮਝ ਆਉਂਦਾ ਸੀ, ਸਾਨੂੰ ਕਹਿੰਦੇ athlete club ਹੈ. So then we used to tell them that athlete and aesthete are two different words. So then they had in mind, because it was a mixed club, boys and girls, so at that time they used to call it a Pundi club. So, chalo, let us accept that. But then there are some boys, they made gentlemen club. And Dr. Vitul was the leader amongst them. So they used to have kind of parallel meetings with us in the canteen area of Gomko. But then we were quite impressed by them, because they had black trousers, white shirt, and a tie, supporting a tie. Always, even in the meetings of the, meeting used to occur every 15 days. But they made it a point that along with the Aesthetes Club, we are also here to teach them that, look, one should look like this, one should walk like this, one should talk like this. And I still feel the same gentleman is with us here. I'll invite everybody and request everybody to have 3 cheers for the whole organizing committee, especially Dr. Vitul here. So, wishing you all the best for the times to come. And we all wish that the Mr. Corona, if leaves our planet soon, we might be having another next MAPICON here with thousands of delegates attending that. Thank you very much.
Thank you, Dr. Uppal. Next in line is Dr. Kulwant Singh, the future Chief Minister of Punjab. So he has been always a good motivating political force, Dr. Kulwant Singh.
ਥੈਂਕ ਯੂ ਡਾਕਟਰ ਵਿਤਲ, ਤੈਨੂੰ ਪਤਾ ਆਪਾਂ ਨੂੰ ਬੋਲਣਾ ਤਾਂ ਆਉਂਦਾ ਨਹੀਂ ਗਾ। ਇਟਸ ਇੰਡੀਡ ਅ ਗ੍ਰੇਟ ਪ੍ਰਿਵਿਲੇਜ ਟੂ ਬੀ ਹੇਅਰ, respectable Dr. Sharma and various senior speakers who have come from different places. To come to the Bathinda is always a meet to Dr. Vittal. So Dr. Vittal has put Bathinda in such a place that we always go to Bathinda, call Vittal, bhai ਅਸੀਂ ਤਾਂ ਆ ਰਹੇ ਹਾਂ ਵੀ ਤਿਆਰ ਰਹੀ ਜਰਾ, ਚਾਹੇ ਦਿਨ ਹੋਵੇ ਚਾਹੇ ਰਾਤ ਹੋਵੇ, ਇਹ ਹਮੇਸ਼ਾ ਹੀ ਤਿਆਰ ਰਹਿੰਦਾ ਤੇ ਔਖੇ ਵੇਲੇ ਸੌਖੇ ਵੇਲੇ ਹਮੇਸ਼ਾ ਸਾਡੇ ਨਾਲ ਖੜਾ ਹੈ। ਇਹ ਵੀ ਅੱਜ ਆਉਣ ਦਾ ਇਹ ਵੀ ਹੁੰਦਾ ਮੌਕਾ ਕਿ ਵੀ ਜਿਹੜਾ ਨਾ ਸਾਡੇ ਇੱਥੇ ਬਹੁਤ ਜ਼ਿਆਦਾ ਕਲਾਸਮੇਟਸ ਹੈ, ਔਰ ਸਾਰੇ ਦੇ ਸਾਰੇ ਕਲਾਸਮੇਟ ਵਿਤਲ ਦੇ ਨਾਲ ਖੜੇ ਰਹਿੰਦੇ ਨੇ। ਇਟਸ ਇੰਡੀਡ ਆਰ ਪ੍ਰਿਵਿਲੇਜ ਬਿਕੋਜ਼ ਯੂ ਸੀ Vittal's family is that kind of family always stood with him through thick and thin and motivate force. ਜਦ ਅਸੀਂ ਇਹਨਾਂ ਨੂੰ ਸਾਰੇ ਫੈਮਿਲੀ ਨੂੰ ਦੇਖਦੇ ਸਾਨੂੰ ਵੀ ਮੋਟੀਵੇਸ਼ਨ ਆ ਜਾਂਦੀ ਹੈ ਕਿ ਵੀ ਇਹ ਜਿਹੜੀ ਫੈਮਿਲੀ ਹੈ ਇੰਨਾ ਕਰ ਸਕਦੀ ਹੈ। ਬਠਿੰਡੇ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਰਹਿ ਕੇ ਇਹਨਾਂ ਨੇ ਕੁਝ ਕੀਤਾ ਕਿ ਜਦ ਅਸੀਂ ਬਾਹਰ ਵੀ ਜਾਂਦੇ ਹਾਂ ਸੋਚਦੇ ਵੀ ਵਿਤਲ ਤੂੰ ਇਹ ਵਧੀਆ ਕੰਮ ਕਰਦਾ, ਵੀ ਆਪਾਂ ਕਹਿੰਦੇ ਵੀ ਰੱਬ ਤੇਰੇ ਤੇ ਨਿਗਾਹ ਬਣਾਈ ਰੱਖੇ ਤੇ ਲੈਟਸ ਗੋ ਟੁਗੈਦਰ, ਲੈਟਸ ਕੀਪ ਟੁਗੈਦਰ। ਬਾਕੀ ਤਾਂ ਸਪੀਕਰ ਸਾਡੇ ਸਾਰੇ ਨੇ, ਐਵਰੀਬਡੀ ਹੈਜ਼ ਸਪੋਕਨ ਵੈਲ, ਬਟ the kind of image, kind of hard work he and his family have put to make Mapicon Bathinda successful in such a way, I think ਲੁਧਿਆਣੇ ਬੈਠੇ ਜਾਂ ਅਸੀਂ ਦਿੱਲੀ ਬੈਠੇ ਤਾਂ ਘਰ ਕੋਲ ਰਹਿੰਦੇ, ਪਰ ਬਠਿੰਡੇ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਬਹਿ ਕੇ ਇੰਨੇ ਬੰਦੇ ਇਕੱਠੇ ਕਰਨਾ, ਇੰਨੇ ਬੰਦਿਆਂ ਨੂੰ ਯੂ ਸੀ ਵਰਚੁਅਲ ਕਾਨਫਰੰਸ ਤਾਂ ਹੋ ਹੀ ਜਾਂਦੀਆਂ ਨੇ, ਬਟ ਲਾਈਵ ਕਾਨਫਰੰਸ ਕਰਨੀ, ਉਹਨਾਂ ਕਰੇਜ ਦਿਖਾਉਣਾ ਐਟ ਦਿਸ ਪਰਟੀਕੂਲਰ ਕੋਵਿਡ ਏਰਾ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ, ਦ ਕ੍ਰੈਡਿਟ ਗੋਜ਼ ਟੂ ਵਿਤਲ। ਐਂਡ ਸਾਡੇ ਮਨ ਤਾਂ ਵੈਸੇ ਪਹਿਲਾਂ ਹੀ ਵਿਤਲ ਦੇ ਬਹੁਤ ਹਾਈ ਪਲੇਸਡ ਹੈਗਾ, ਤੇ ਵਿਦ ਦਿਸ ਸਾਡਾ ਬਹੁਤ ਸਾਡਾ ਮਨ ਵੀ ਉੱਚਾ, ਸਾਡੇ ਬੈਚ ਸਾਡਾ ਪਟਿਆਲਾ ਕੰਮ ਕੋਈ ਬੜਾ ਆਪਣੇ ਆਪ ਨੂੰ ਪ੍ਰਿਵਿਲੇਜ ਫੀਲ ਕਰਦਾ ਕਿ ਵੀ ਇਹੋ ਜਿਹੇ ਕੈਂਡੀਡੇਟ ਉੱਥੋਂ ਨਿਕਲੇ। ਬਹੁਤ ਜ਼ਿਆਦਾ ਟਾਈਮ ਨਾ ਲੈਂਦਾ। ਆਈ ਐਮ ਥੈਂਕਫੁਲ ਟੂ ਵਿਤਲ ਫੈਮਿਲੀ, ਆਲ ਦਾ ਡੈਲੀਗੇਟਸ, ਥੈਂਕ ਯੂ ਵੈਰੀ ਮਚ।
ਥੈਂਕ ਯੂ ਡਾਕਟਰ ਕੁਲਵੰਤ। ਸਾਡੇ ਬੈਚ ਦੀ ਤੇ ਇਸ ਬੈਚ ਦੀ ਇੰਨੀ ਸੀਗੀ ਕਿ ਪਤਾ ਹੀ ਨਹੀਂ ਲੱਗਦਾ ਸੀ ਕਿਹੜੇ ਬੈਚ ਦਾ ਕਿਹੜਾ ਹੈਗਾ। ਹੁਣ ਵੀ ਜੇ ਕਹਿਣਾ ਹੋਵੇ ਨਾ ਵੀ ਸੀਨੀਅਰ ਹੈ, ਕਈ ਵਾਰੀ ਐਂ ਕਹਿ ਜਾਈਦਾ ਵੀ ਬੈਚਮੇਟ ਹੀ ਹੈ। ਸੋ ਆਰ ਬੈਚਸ ਵਾਜ਼ ਸੋ integral part of each other. Dr. Bakshi is here. He has been moderate to our personality कि लड़ना नहीं, आ नहीं करना, वो नहीं करना, आराम ना बोलिया करो यार, क्यों पंगे लेने हो types. So thank you Dr. Bakshi for coming. Dr. Ravi ने क्या कि Dr. Ravi ਨੂੰ ਕਿਵੇਂ ਚੁਣਿਆ? It was IGMC was also our integral part. I, Dr. Wander, used to go there every month because our friend was there, Dr. Dinesh Sood. ਉਹਦੇ ਕਮਰੇ ਦੀ ਚਾਬੀ ਉੱਤੇ ਪਈ ਹੁੰਦੀ ਸੀ, 1.5 ਰੁਪਏ ਟਿਕਟ ਹੁੰਦੀ ਸੀ, 1 ਰੁਪਏ ਦੀ ਆਈਸਕ੍ਰੀਮ ਖਾਂਦੇ ਸੀ ਅਸੀਂ, 10 ਰੁਪਏ 'ਚ 3 ਦਿਨ ਸ਼ਿਮਲੇ ਰਹਿ ਕੇ ਮੁੜ ਆਉਂਦੇ ਸੀ। ਹੁਣ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਸੋਚੋ, ਅੱਜ ਦੇ ਦਿਨ ਦੇ ਸੋਚੋ ਕਿ 10 ਰੁਪਏ 'ਚ 3 ਦਿਨ ਸ਼ਿਮਲੇ, ਕਿਉਂ ਫ੍ਰੀ ਮੀਲ ਉਹਦੇ ਸੀਗੀ। So when I was scanning all the things, Dr. Mokhta used to come. You have all listened to Dr. Mokhta 2-3 times. Dr. Rajiv Raina. So we have a special place, sir, for IGMC. And since you were HOD Psychiatry and Mental Health, we had 5 lectures on mental health in this conference. Dr. Om Prakash Singh, who is Editor Psychiatry, Dr. Sanjeev Grover, who is Assistant Editor, Indian Journal of Psychiatry, Dr. Poonam Bharti, Dr. Ravi, Dr. Parul. So we had 5 lectures on mental health, and next time we are planning a full session on mental health in association with Indian Association of Psychiatry, as well as a few medical colleges to send their graduates and be part of Mapicon. So we are thinking on those lines, so making efforts for Mapicon to grow further so that more and more students they participate, more and more primary care physicians they participate. So in the end, I'll thank all the delegates for showing interest, and more than 100 registrations have been done for 2022, and I request all of them to register, those who have not registered, because from tomorrow it is going to be 4,000. So they can take the advantage of early bird registration. So I thank all the people gathered here to grace Mapicon, my seniors, my colleagues, all the dignitaries, especially the faculty with whose glamour the delegates are attracted. Thank you very much. We are going to proceed. Dr. Janak is here. Dr. Sahab, late ho gaye tusi. Please come on stage. I must introduce you. He is Member Medical Council, Punjab Medical Council from our region. And he has been very helpful in all the things. कोई काम हुंदा है असी करमवीर नूं फोन कर दिंदे हैं, जे नहीं मिलदा तां जनक नूं फोन करदे हैं कि यार कह उत्थे सुपरिटेंडेंट नूं काम करा. So thank you very much for coming. He mistook the function at 2. So I rang him up. He rushed from Mansa and made it on time. ਹੁਣ vote of thanks ਇਹਨਾਂ ਤੋਂ ਹੀ ਕਰਾਣੇ ਆ.
Just before the vote of thanks, I have personal request to Dr. Vitul to hear a few lines from Dr. Bharti. She's a very good orator, senior most mentor of our so much children. I think you have had your lecture or not? Okay, but I think you blessed the organizing committee and I thank you for your sweet words. Thank you.
Good afternoon, everybody. मुझे लगता है everybody must be tired after listening to those lectures. But for Vitul, now suddenly when Dr. Karamveer said that I must come and speak and suddenly something has come in my mind, I would just like to say, अकेला चला था मैं, लोग मिलते गए, कारवां बनता गया. And that is what has happened with Vitul. He started alone. And it's really good that he had so many people joining in and you see such a nice karwa. I still remember the first time when you were planning, you had once come to our house right in the morning. I remember that he said, I'll be reaching at around 8:30. And he and Sanjeev were sitting and they were planning what is to be done. And then he had to go to Dr. Wanda. Today he could not be here. So it's really nice and has already been said that doctors are supposed to be good learners and ongoing learners. And these, I would say, must appreciate that Corona has given us some positive points also, because as a medical teacher now I realize I am also now more IT savvy, and now we are able to deliver lectures to the students online. They can also grasp more and they can read at whatever time they want to read at their own convenience. So this way we all should also form a habit that we must go through some journal of our specialty. IMA has got good journal, JIMA is a journal which is accepted by all. Go through them and then Dr. Karamveer, as you said, that somebody sitting in the remotest village will also have facilities. Similarly, because IT is going everywhere, and conferences like this are definitely going to help people to come up. So congratulations, Dr. Vitul, and wishing you all the success for future endeavors. Thank you very much.
Respected teachers, seniors, my colleagues, students and supporting staff, and above all, organizing committee of this prestigious MAPICON. I am taking not much of your time. I am extremely thankful to all of you for attending this prestigious MAPICON conference, which is a born sort of for our reason. And I extend my thanks to Dr. Vitul also, who is working very hard to make this conference a very great success. So once again, I thank you everybody for attending this conference, and I wish all the best in the coming years for this MAPICON. Thank you.
So thank you very much, with a request that wherever you go, please say good things about MAPICON, and if there are a few bad things, you have my number. You can ring me up anytime, or you can send me suggestions so that we can improve upon MAPICON. So be our brand ambassadors and help us cultivate MAPICON and make MAPICON grow. Thank you very much. We are going to proceed with our scientific program with the next lecture.